Hey guys, once again, we are back with another exciting lineup of the smart car gadgets and accessories. Whether you are upgrading your ride, improving convenience, or adding modern tech to your driving experience, we have you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. 3-jaw inner pilot bearing puller. Have you ever faced a stuck bearing or bushing and wished you had a tool that could remove it without damaging surrounding parts? This 3-jaw inner pilot bearing puller is designed for people who want a simple and dependable way to extract bearings from tight spaces. It supports automotive users, motorcycle enthusiasts, and do-it-yourself mechanics by giving them a tool that grips firmly and pulls evenly without slipping. Its carbon steel construction helps it withstand regular use, making it reliable for different repair tasks. The design allows it to reach components that sit deep inside housings, which is helpful for suspension work, engine repairs, and gear extraction. Instead of applying force unevenly, the jaws spread pressure in a balanced way, helping reduce the risk of cracking or damaging nearby surfaces. Baseus magnetic car mount. Have you ever wished your phone could stay steady on the dashboard, even on rough roads? This magnetic car mount keeps devices secure without bulky clamps or complicated adjustments. It helps drivers who want quick access to navigation or calls while staying focused on the road. The bendable memory titanium alloy gives you freedom to position your phone exactly how you want, making viewing angles easier to manage for different drivers. The mount attaches firmly to dashboards or windshields, allowing flexibility depending on your vehicle layout. Its magnetic surface holds phones tightly, supporting different iPhone models without wobbling during turns or bumps. People who dislike large or distracting mounts will appreciate its compact and minimalist style. ANCEL BD310 OBD2 Scanner. Have you ever wanted a simpler way to understand what is happening under your car's hood? This OBD2 scanner helps drivers read engine codes and analyze important information without needing professional tools. It's designed for daily car owners who want more awareness of their vehicle's performance and battery health. It pairs with mobile devices, allowing you to review diagnostic information in a cleaner layout. This helps you detect issues early, track trips, and examine performance trends. Drivers who frequently maintain their vehicles will appreciate how quickly it displays important data. Its battery test and trip analysis functions offer additional insight beyond basic code reading. KAWA Dash Cam 2K. Have you ever wished for a compact dash cam that captures clear visuals without taking much space on your windshield? This mini dash cam offers crisp recording quality and supports drivers who want dependable video coverage during both day and night driving. Its voice control feature lets you operate the camera without touching it, making driving safer and distraction-free. The built-in wireless connection helps you download recordings straight to your mobile device, giving you quick access to footage when needed. It performs well during various lighting conditions, helping ensure that important details remain visible. The parking mode offers additional reassurance when leaving your vehicle in public places. It continues monitoring surroundings and records when motion or impact is detected. For drivers who want better visibility of road events or prefer compact technology, its small size makes it nearly unnoticeable inside the cabin. If you are searching for a reliable dashcam that offers clear visuals, convenient mobile features, and secure parking coverage, this KAWA Dash Cam is a solid choice for everyday driving. Sakai air-powered vacuum kit. Have you ever needed a tool that could both blow away dust and suction debris during car cleaning? This air-powered vacuum kit supports drivers who want flexible cleaning capability for tight interior spaces, engine bays, and small compartments. The dual function allows you to switch between blowing air and vacuuming without needing multiple tools. This saves time and helps you clean more efficiently. The different tube attachments give you more reach, making it easier to handle delicate areas such as vents, seat tracks, and electronic buttons. People who maintain their vehicles regularly will appreciate how quickly it removes dust or loose debris from difficult corners. The rotating brush attachment helps you handle softer surfaces without scratching, providing a gentle cleaning approach for dashboards and small spaces. Whether you manage car detailing at home or simply want a faster way to keep your vehicle interior clean, this air vacuum kit offers versatility and dependable air power in one solution. Curved car cleaning brush with telescopic handle. Have you ever found it difficult to clean the top areas of your vehicle without climbing or stretching too far? This curved cleaning brush helps you reach high places easily while keeping your feet firmly on the ground. The telescopic handle extends far enough to clean vans, caravans, trucks, and other tall vehicles. Its curved head design helps the brush follow the shape of the surface more naturally, making cleaning smoother and less tiring. The chenille head is soft and gentle, helping you clean without scratching. People who want a safer washing method will appreciate how this brush reduces the need for ladders or stepping stools. The lightweight structure supports longer cleaning sessions without causing strain. Its aluminum handle adds durability, making it suitable for outdoor use. Bearforce Hand Pump Foaming Sprayer. Have you ever wanted thicker foam during car washing without using a heavy pressure washer? This hand pump foaming sprayer is designed for people who prefer portable cleaning tools that still deliver strong foaming action. The pressure design allows you to create rich foam by pumping manually, making it helpful for car exteriors, wheels, and other surfaces. Its large capacity helps reduce refilling, allowing you to wash more areas in one go. The sprayer spreads foam evenly, helping soap stick longer for deeper cleaning. People who wash their vehicles at home will appreciate how quickly it saves water and works smoothly with most car shampoos. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it suitable for quick cleanups or full washes. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan Tool. Have you ever wished for a diagnostic tool that provides deeper information than a basic scanner? This Bluetooth scanner supports drivers who want professional-level insight into their vehicles without visiting a shop every time the dashboard light turns on. It connects to mobile devices and offers detailed information on engine issues, braking systems, airbag functions, and many other components. This helps you understand problems more clearly and decide whether a repair is urgent or manageable at home. People who maintain multiple vehicles or prefer a data-rich diagnostic approach will appreciate how the application organizes reports. It stores previous diagnostics, helping you compare changes over time.
Oasser Backseat Trunk Organizer. Ever struggle to keep your car trunk neat and organized? The Oasser Backseat Trunk Organizer offers a simple and efficient solution. Designed to hang behind the rear seats, it features 6 large pockets and adjustable straps for a secure fit. The foldable design means it can be stored away easily when not in use, but when opened, it provides ample space for tools, groceries, emergency supplies, and more. Its durable material resists wear and tear. Auxbeam 8-gang switch panel, RA80. Do you wish you could control all your car's lights and accessories from one place? The Auxbeam 8-gang switch panel makes it possible with a clean, organized interface. This multifunctional panel can manage multiple devices, such as lights, fans, and auxiliary systems, all at the touch of a button. It features dimmable RGB lighting for night visibility, allowing you to customize brightness levels to your preference. The waterproof build ensures reliability in any condition, making it ideal for off-road vehicles, boats, or RVs. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play design, and the compact form fits neatly into most dashboards. With a durable structure and intelligent power management, it prevents overloads and maintains consistent performance. The result is smoother control, reduced wiring clutter, and improved safety. Whether you enjoy night driving, camping, or professional use, the Auxbeam RA80 switch panel is a powerful upgrade for anyone who loves precision and control. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.